right? This is a nice fan right here. It's only 2 volts. Go ahead and give it a spin down. You know what that is?
I don't. What is it?
It means when the fan comes to a complete stop.
Oh.
It has, every fan has a spin down except for gear driven fans. Have you seen gear driven?
I haven't.
They're really cool looking. They have gears inside the motor housing and there's a tiny little fan that makes it run.
Oh, really?
It's like a clock. You know how clocks work, right?
Yeah.
That's what the first fan ever invented was. There's also another kind of gear driven. It's called the friction drive.
Really?
Yeah, they're really nice looking. Mostly Emerson or Casablanca sometimes makes them. Yeah, it's too bad we don't have any service so I can show it to you.
Yeah.
It's sad. But it's good to see nature.
Yeah, definitely.
I know that cat right there. You remember me? My mom loves cats.
Yeah, I like cats too.
Uh-huh. The last time I came here, the second time, everything was closed. Like,
Oh, really?
yeah.
What day did you come?
I think it was on a Tuesday or Monday.
Oh, yeah, we're normally only open Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Yeah. You should open at least one more day, like.
Yeah, well, during the summer, like, it's gonna start being summer again.
Yeah.
So we're gonna be open longer and more.
Oh yeah,
throughout
that
the
makes
day.
sense. Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be cool.
This has a long spin down. She's so pretty, aren't you? Want to kiss me? Yeah. She's so pretty. She's a black and white tuxedo, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We actually adopted 2 little kittens. One that was a black and white tuxedo, and the other one was, I forgot the other. It was brown, mixed colors of brown, black, white, tan.
Oh, it was a calico cat.
I don't know, but it was like a how do you explain it? Like a camouflage kind?
Yeah, I think it's called a calico cat.
Yeah.
I have one of those.
And they were sort over. They were like this big at our school.
Oh,
I think they were about like 2 weeks old, like this
that's
small.
adorable.
Yeah.
That's really small.
Yeah. Then the other cats, the other owners fostered them from our school. So we took good care of them.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah, my mom loves cats, and she's allergic to dogs.
Oh, really?
Yeah, so. And my grandma passed away a couple of months ago, in December.
Oh, wow. I'm so sorry.
Yeah. And my grandpa's girlfriend passed away also.
Oh, wow.
I'm losing a lot of people. That's why I want to come back here.
That's why you do want to come back? Or?
Yeah, to remember them, like have some quiet time.
Yeah. That's understandable.
Yeah. Yeah, and I miss them. There's a legend my mom told me, if you see a dragonfly, you see them.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So.
Like sometimes like butterflies.
Yeah.
Or birds or stuff like that.
Like, yeah, and she loves dragonflies, my mom does. Yeah. My mom is at home working now. She works for us home instead.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. It's a really good company.
Yeah.
I think it's almost done now.
How far is it to get to the waterfall?
Man. It's a Hampton Bay Clarkson, I just figured out.
We've been here once before.
It's a Clarkson.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I'm assuming you're thinking of skirt install. That's the more popular one.
Wow.
And that one is about
Thank you so much.
Of course.